In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Gate.io safely and correctly. First, open the Gate.io app or website and log in. Go to Wallet Arrow Spot and check that the coin you want to withdraw is in your spot account, not locked in margin, futures, or earn. If it is, transfer it back to spot so it's available. Next, go to Wallet. Withdraw and make sure crypto is selected. Choose the coin you want to send, for example, USDT or BTC. Now you'll need three things: the recipient wallet address, the correct network, and the amount you want to withdraw. Paste the wallet address from the exchange or wallet you're sending to. Then select the same network they support, such as ERC20, TRC20, or another chain. For some coins like XRP or XLM, you may also need to enter a tag or memo, so don't skip that. Enter the amount, review the network fee, and double-check coin, address, network, and memo if required. Finally, confirm the withdrawal and complete any email, SMS, or 2FA security checks. You can track the status under Wallet Arrow Withdraw History until it's completed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.